Yeah, now we will see how to program the basic operation, right? So for that we are using the two commands. One will be the like move L option, and another one will be the move C, and one more thing will be the move J. Move J, which means that jump. So the robot will move from particular point to another point. It is doesn't take any path. Okay, it can move any path. So this is how the move J will be working. Similarly, the robot, if you want to make the robot to move in the linear path, you can use the move linear. And the same thing, move C, it is for a circular. So if there is an arc, okay, this is if the robot is in this point 1. So if you want to make this arc, so first you have to use the move linear or move J to move the point 1 to point 2. Okay, so move J or move L, you can use it. After that, if you want to make this arc, what you can do, in the move C you are having 2 points. In the move L you will have only 1 point. Move C, 2 points will be there. So that is, the center point will be the point 3, and this arc end point will be the point 4. You have to give this through point. So this is the move C and move L, move J functions what we are going to use. For that, how we are going to use this is, so what you can do is go to this 3 icon, go to program editor. In that program editor, to add instruction, see here there is a move J, move L, move C option. First I'm going to set a move J operation. So below the line I'm going to add your choice below the line. So what I'm going to do is, this move J option, just double click, and this point star I'm going to name it as a P10. So what I'll do is just click OK. After that I'm moving the robot in a certain position. So here the individual jog motion that is available, I make this into a linear mode. So just click this icon. Which one? This option. You see this one for linear option. So I will click that. Then and see the linear option, it is changed. Now I am moving the robot to a one particular point. Because there is some any one axis, it's make some maximum angle, we can't able to move the robot. So what I'll do, I will make any one axis to a certain angles. Now I will make this axis to a certain angle. After that I'll move to a linear option. Now I'm okay, this is my point 10. What I'm doing is I'm giving the modify position. So if you give a modify position, the robot end effector XY position is stored in the point 10. Now I'm giving a move L option. So you may see only one point it is coming. Move L. This velocity, it is indicating the how much speed the robot is moving. Z50, which means that if you want to draw one square, so in this shape Z will be the 0, the sharpening. If you want to make this as a arc, you can give some Z option, Z value 50 or 40, 50 like that. So that is the Z. Okay, and tool. So now I am using a tool 10. So it is, you can change any tool if you want, you can change. Now I am moving the robot to a certain position. Okay, I am getting a similarity error. Yes, now what I am doing is, I am going to make this as a linear again. I'll move. So this point will be my point 1, that is point 20. Okay, and after that I'll add one more move L. See the point, it is increasing 10, like point by point, 10, 20, 30 like that. So now what I will do is, I'll make this into a forward direction. So this is my, somehow am I, this is my point 30. Then I am going to add one more move L. I'll move the robot to that side. This is, then I'll add one more move L. So I'll get this. Now modify position. again. So I'll come to this home position. The robot will come to a home position. Now how to simulate this? What you can do is, so you need to give the debug option, pp to program to mine. So pp to mine. Now you can start run option. Robot will start move. See, the robot will start following and do the, see this changing of gripper which we have done. So that is why it is changing the axis when it comes to singularity error. No, that time I changed. So this is how you can program the basic square option. Okay, you can stop it. Okay, this is the one type of programming you can use it, right?